Big sketchbook effort, cherry blossom. So today I was making a cherry blossom. I started with a 4B to make the negative space between the little tines. And to make this drawing, I was using 4B, 4H, and 2B. So anyway, the H pencil I was using for what you see all light stuff over there. I was marveling because that area of the petal looked like a basket weave. Anyway, so I was trying to depict that. Anyway, moving right along, I spent about 2 hours on this sketch, and the beginning I thought it looked pretty crude by the time I got to the end, because you see that petal, that's in the top center compared to the petals below. The petals below seemed like they were far better, more sophisticated render than the initial petal. But whatever, that's why they say if you're going to do a comic book, you should do the whole thing. Don't just spend 5 hours on the first page, because by the time you get to page 20, you're going to be an accomplished artist, and the first page is going to look dumb. Oh, okay, that's the basket weave looking area that just had a very subtle tones, but they were like diamonds, highlight diamonds, and slight shade, where the wicker would be. Anyway, I was also confused about how much of a background I wanted to put in. I had to put enough to have negative space behind the flower established, but I didn't really want to go whole hog and start sketching other stuff on the page. Okay, and here the tines are actually not the lightest part of the flower, so I thought they look pretty dumb, completely white, and so I was taking the 4H and very gently shading in the tines a little bit. I don't know if that was a good idea or not. Finally, there's a stem down there at the bottom, and I thought I'd try to put that in, but it really looks silly, and I don't know if that was a really good idea. Anyway, then taking the fancy electric eraser and taking out some micro highlights, and I guess that's it. 2 hours work sketching a cherry blossom, and then I tried to put it in a jazzy signature just to make it look like it was supposed to look this way. Art fun, sketchbook.